Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create account on Airtable. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to write the name. So I'm going to write the name here. As you can see, we have to open the website. And after opening the website, as you can see now it's open. Now simply what we have to do, we have to click on the sign up for free. So let's click on it. So as you can see, after clicking on this, what we have to do, simply we need to click on the continue with Google. You can also continue with your email address. So I'm going to click on the continue with Google. And now we have to select the email address. For example, I'm going to select this email. So let's click on it. And now we have to click on the continue. So as you can see now, simply what we have to do now, simply we have to choose some options. What team are you on? So for example, I'm going to select the marketing, and we have to choose at which type of other you have. For example, I'm going to select the product and design and customer service. And after that, we have to choose the one from them. So for example, I'm going to choose the product and design, and let's click on the continue. You can also skip that. I'm going to skip this step, and as you can see now the account is created. Now you can use it according to your needs. So as you can see, your Airtable account is created. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.